Good morning, student. Welcome back to another video of Geography Chapter 2. Here is the all question and answer of Geography Chapter 2. In previous video, we will complete the all topics. Okay. So here is the question number 1, and the question is answer the following question. Which are two main climatic factors responsible for soil formation? कौन से दो मेन क्लाइमेटिक फैक्टर है जो कि सॉइल फॉर्मेशन में रिस्पॉन्सिबल सॉइल फॉर्मेशन के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल Temperature and rainfall are the two main climatic factors which is responsible for soil formation. Okay. Next, write any two reasons for land degradation today. Deforestation and the indiscriminate use of chemical pesticide and fertilizer in agriculture lands are two major factors to contributing to land degradations. Remember that. Deforestation and chemical pesticide and fertilizer. Why is land considered as an important resource? Land is considered as an important resource as it provides habitation to a wide variety of flora fauna, also used by human beings by various purposes such as agriculture, forestry, mining, building houses and roads and setting up industries. They are the such reason to consider the it is an important resource. Okay, land is considered as an important resource because of this. Okay, now name any two steps that government has taken to conserve plant and animal. We will discuss this topic in conservation of forest or conservation of plant. So here is the answer. The two steps that the government has taken to conserve plant and animal is the first has set up a national park, wildlife sanctuaries and biosphere reserve for protecting natural vegetation and wildlife. For example, Kaziranga National Park in Assam and it is Next, has banned the killing of lion, tiger, deer, great Indian bustard, and peacock. It is also prohibited the trade of species of plant and animal protected under the international agreement. Cities. Here are the two major steps that government has taken to conserve plant and animal. The next question is suggest three way to conserve water. Suggest three way to conserve water. Your answer may be vary, but the limited answer is rainwater harvesting, lining irrigation canal to avoid seepage of water, and replenishing groundwater by promoting afforestation. They are the main three process that we can suggest that to conserve the water. Next question number 2. Tick the correct answer. Which one of the following is not a factor of soil formation? Time, soil, organic matter. The correct answer is soil texture, which is not factor of soil formation. Because time matter of soil formation, organic matter is the matter of soil formation, but soil textures does not matter. Which one of the following method is most appropriate to check soil erosion and steps? कि कौन ऐसे appropriate method है soil erosion को check करने के लिए step slope? Shelter bed, mulching, या terrace cultivation. As we all discussed in the previous topic, the correct answer is terrace cultivation. Terrace cultivation is the method is the most appropriate to check the soil erosion and steps. Which one of the following is not a favor of conservation of nature? Switch off the bulb when not in use. Close the tap immediately after using. Yeah, dispose polypack after shopping. Though here is the appropriate answer is dispose polypack after shopping is not in a favor to conservation of nature. Okay. Now match the following: land use, humus, rock dam, arable land. There is the and here is the answer. Land use is the productive use of land, humus, organic matter deposited on topsoil, rock dam that is prevent soil erosion, and arable land that is land suitable for agriculture. Okay. Now state whether the given statement are true or false. If true, write the reason. कि इसमें देखना है कि कौन सा स्टेटमेंट ट्रू है या फॉल्स है अगर ट्रू है तो उसका रीजन मेंशन कीजिए गंगा ब्रह्मपुत्र प्लेन ऑफ इंडिया इज एन ओवर पॉल्यूटेड रीजन दिस स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू plain a river valley of suitable land for agriculture hence these are densely populated area of the world okay next water availability and no second water availability per person in india is decline This statement is true. Throughout, water is present in abundance. Fresh water is a scarce resource. Water available is a serious problem in many regions of the world. Due to the wastage of water, deforestation, and the pollution of depleting of freshwater reserve, such as river, groundwater, availability of water is fast declining. Okay. The next is row of tree planted in a coastal area to check the wind movement is called intercropping. This statement is false, as we all know. This is called shelter croppings. Okay, shelter belts. This statement is false because they describe process is called shelter belts. Okay, intercropping is the process in which different crop are grown in alternate rows. जैसे कि पहले आम फिर इमली फिर कुछ भी यानी कि alternate वे में अलग अलग पेड़ इसको हम कहते हैं क्या इंटरक्रॉपिंग लेकिन शेल्टर बेल्स क्या होता है जहां पे कोस्टल एरिया में लगातार एक लाइन में पेड़ लगाए जाती है एक रो में पेड़ को प्लांट किया जाता है हवा के मूवमेंट को चेक करने के लिए ठीक है लेकिन ये जो दिया है कि रोज ऑफ ट्री प्लांटेड टू कोस्टल एरिया टू चेक द विंड नो दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड शेल्टर बेल्स this described process is called shelter belt. Intercropping is the process in which different crops are grown in alternate rows and are shown at different time to protect the soil formation rainwash. Okay, and the next is human interface and changes of climate can maintain the ecosystem. This statement is also false because human interface and climatic changes for the most part adversely affect the balance of ecosystem. Okay, so here is to complete the all question and answer. If you have any doubt, message me in the comment box and make the fair immediately and send them in the group. Okay, today, tomorrow, no issues. Okay, have a nice day. Goodbye.